Okay, reseller besties, we are back for day 6 of our listing challenge, and it has come to my attention that some of you are still too scared to get started. So I thought I would show you exactly what you need to get started, and these are the very things that I started with 7 years ago. So first of all, you need a wall. So this is a blank wall in my office. And you need a hook or command strip or a nail, just something to hang things on. If you don't have a wall, you can do flat lays on your bed. And I prefer a solid wall, but if you have to do it like on the back of a door, do what you can. But everybody has a place. Everybody could do this. Next up, hangers. If all you have are 2 clear hangers, that's all you need. Because when you hang them on the clear hanger and you take the photograph, it's going to look like, try to find one that doesn't have one of these on it or take that off, but it's going to look like the item is just kind of like floating in midair, and you won't be distracted by like a hot pink hanger. I always get on my husband when he takes them on the colored hangers. So I have one for pants and then one for tops. So hook, wall, 2 hangers. Now, if you are going to be taking photos at night, which is what I did, reselling was my 5 to 9 job. After teaching all day, I would work on my reselling business when the kids went to school or bed. So it was dark. You're gonna need a ring light. Now, if you can take your pictures in the morning or when the daylight is going, as long as you put your hook in front of a window, so like here's my hook here, but there's a window right in front of the hook. So put your hook so that the light will cast onto, from the window will cast onto the hook. You could rely on natural sunlight. But if you can't rely on natural sunlight because you are working in the evening, then get yourself a ring light. They used to be super duper cheap, and they have gone up in price, but really you don't need like big can lights or anything like that. I have worked wonders with just a ring light. So those are the 4 things that you need to get started. So what is stopping you? It is day 6, besties, of this reselling challenge, and we are going to keep going all the way to the end of the year. Don't forget, we have Thanksgiving next week. So if you are planning ahead, go ahead and list 1 extra each day so that you don't have to work on Thanksgiving Day if you don't want to. Follow me for more reselling tips and tricks, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of our listing challenge. You got this. Consistency brings results.